Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make tea light candle holder. Materials required for doing this: thread, glass jar, sponge, acrylic colors, tea light, stickers. After applying first layer, let it dry and apply second layer. So I have applied 2 layers and it is completely dried. Now I am using knife to remove all the stickers. So this is how it looks after removing all the stickers. Now let's see how to tie a mason jar. Now place tea light in the jar. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do click on the notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. Like, share and comment.